All right, what you're gonna wanna do is grab a cool bison skull. No, I just wanted to show you that, guys. But anyways, today's video, just got that in the shop here in the office. The cool bison looks pretty good right there. Pretty pumped about the thing. But anyways, on today's video, we're gonna be talking about another great exercise, this time with some dumbbells. Grab whatever size you want. A bird dog. Everyone has probably heard of, if you've done any yoga, the bird dog exercise. Shut that. Everyone's probably heard of the bird dog exercise. Great for your core strength. It's an awesome exercise to target these specific muscles right here, your lumbar multifidus. Those are your paraspinal muscles. Most people are watching this are probably hunters. It's the backstrap muscles. So what you're gonna do is a bird dog with a row. So in a typical bird dog position, alternating arm and leg, so opposite arm and leg. This, you'll stay on one side, but opposite arm and leg, go out like that. And then I'm gonna be in a, again, with this dumbbell. In the bird dog position, I'm just doing a row. Try not to fall off the table, off the ground here, but a simple row. Again, working on that good core stability. It's a great exercise. Not a super hard exercise, but if you like the bird dog, if you like yoga, you're into a little bit more core stability like that, give this exercise a shot. Tell me what you think, drop a comment below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Again, all this helps me. I'm bringing a lot more content to you guys. I want to make sure that, again, mountain athletes, hunters, backpackers, hikers, skiers, climbers, you name it, we're keeping you guys fit, we're keeping you healthy, we're keeping you on the mountain. That's my passion, that's my mission, keep people out in the outdoors. So anyways, jump off my soapbox, hit the subscribe button, like this, share it with others, and drop a comment. Drop also what you guys want to see next, what other exercises would be good. Thank you, appreciate all the support.